Are you looking for a Chip and Joanna Gaines farmhouse on Acreage? Look no further. This 6-bedroom, 5.2 bath home was originally built in 1939 and had a massive renovation in 2003 and another renovation in 2019 to 2020. The home features 2 master bedrooms. The one on the first floor has a separate entrance from outside. Over $600K in renovations/updates in 2019 to 2020, roof 2020, boiler 2017, HWH 2017, a portion of the home has new Anderson windows 2019, attic insulation 2020, all new carpet 2020, resurfaced driveway 2020, $30K in new landscape 2020, all new electrical in barn 2015, kitchen renovation 2020, FF wood. Floors 2020, crawl space renovation 2020, huge barn holds 3 to 4 cars, has second floor storage and chicken coop attached, and so much more. This 4,893 square foot home sits on 3.62 private acres with pond, Gallagher Creek running through it and adjoins the Paint Creek Trail. Something this special only comes along once in a lifetime. Award-winning Rochester Schools, Delta Kelly Elementary, Van Hoosen Middle, and Adams High School. Welcome home.